What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Robbie Sucks. Today, we are back on the BSA. I've got some handlebar mounts in, and we're going to try to mock them up. Check it out. So, I got these new mounts in, and this is the bolts that we're going to be putting through the head of, or the triple tree, triple clamp, whatever you want to call it. I always forget the name of it. And then these are the mounts I got, and they are pretty sweet. So we're going to try to get these installed today. Okay, well, that was a bit torquey, if you ask me. What do you think, Zach?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey.
We're okay. All right, so I've drilled out the triple tree here, and I've got the bolts. I got one kind of temp installed, but basically this is how it's going to go in. We're going to start with our bolt from the bottom here, and it's going to go through. And then we're going to take this, and we're just going to kind of feed it on.
Just like that.
Just like it is. And it's going to screw in.
Wow.
Now, when we do the final temp install, or the final full install of this, we will take, like, Loctite and make sure that these bolts don't back out, because they are self-threading into the bars themselves. But we don't have vibrations from the motorcycle causing anything to have them vibrate out.
Yeah,
but
losing bars while riding would really suck.
that'd be kind of weird, right?
Yeah.
10 out of 10 would not recommend.
It'd be like a breakaway steering wheel on a race car. Yeah. God help me.
Help me. And that's how we got them temp on.
Okay. They got a nice look to them.
Yeah, they're
Of course, we'll probably put a shouldered washer top and bottom.
yeah. We'll make sure it handles itself well.
Handlebars handled nice. Inside joke.
Hi, I'm a dad.
Right. Got him.
I'll be honest with you, these are kind of nice. They're
Yeah.
kinda smooth. So I think I got these on eBay. I just searched up, like, I think we did 1-inch risers for like 7/8 holes.
Or bar clamps or
Yeah.
something. It was something weird.
And we found these, and I was like, oh, this may work. This may actually look really, really cool. So, see if we can't get those to sit in there. Oh, there we go. Now, that actually looks...
They'll be a little tight.
Yeah, but it looks really cool. And we'll just kind of get those to do that for right now until we get these screws temp installed.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these look pretty good on the old bike here. I still got plenty of room to put a gauge.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
Be nice if we could find a single gauge
Yeah, I was
that has everything on it.
Yeah, I've been looking. I found several, but we're just gonna have to upgrade a lot of the things. I also think we need to be, less is more.
Yeah.
And this is just a temp install, so not permanent placement of these bars, but, because that's a little off.
Yeah. Like me. Oh, sorry.
And we'll see.
Huh.
here for that. Oh, yeah. That looks awesome. Bring it around here and you guys can check it out from the front. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think that'll work.
Oh, yeah, that looks really cool. Holy smokes. That is awesome.
Another thing we need to check too, we need to check lock to lock and make sure that...
I think that's plenty. I think it's plenty.
No, that's perfect.
Yeah.
You don't want to bang the handlebars or the triple tree into the tank.
That's true, but it only goes as far as my arms can go as well.
Yeah. So it literally has to go. No.
Yeah. Well, that's it, guys, for today's episode. We got the bars mocked up. I just want to see how the placement's going to be, how it's going to fit, and I got to say, I'm pretty excited about this. Hopefully, sometime soon we can do shocks, and once the rear light comes in, we'll get that welded up. As always, guys, like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. Check out RobbieSucksStore.com. Remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up.
Don't give up.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.